You don't need millions of subscribers, not even 10,000 subscribers to sign high-ticket clients and make serious money from YouTube. In fact, my client Sam signed a $66,000 client from his YouTube channel with less than 3,000 subscribers. Another one of my clients booked 4 calls worth $28,000 in pipeline from our first ever video together on a YouTube channel that had 800 subscribers. So in this video, I'll break down the exact system we use to have these small channels sign high-ticket clients from YouTube, and I'll also explain how you can just entirely copy it. So a lot of people think that you need a big audience to make money from YouTube, and that is a complete myth. As I mentioned earlier, here's our client Sam. We did a client interview recently. You can check it out on my channel. He signs a $66,000 client from a channel that literally has like 2,300 subscribers. Like, it's crazy. And the thing that you have to understand is that it's very different for business owners. The game changes completely when you're selling high ticket services versus just trying to make money from ad revenue. Ad revenue creators need millions of views to make decent money, where you only need a few qualified prospects to make 6 figures or even 7 figures just from YouTube. So your goal isn't entertainment. It's not to get as many views or as many subscribers as you can. Your goal is conversions, which means get as many leads and get as many clients as you can. That's your goal as a business owner. That's because one high ticket client pays more than most YouTubers make from ad revenue in an entire year. Again, you're not competing with Mr. Beast. You're competing with other service providers in your niche. Now, here's how to sign high ticket clients even with a small channel. Step 1 is you need to target the right people and not everyone. You have to forget about chasing views, as I said, and start obsessing over attracting your ideal client, just those people. And here's how you can exactly do that. The first step is understand your ICP. Create a Google Doc and write down their biggest pain points, their biggest desires, problems your offer fixes, and outcomes that your offer gets. This is the fundamental that you need to understand in order to have a chance to actually attract these people with your videos. And that is always the first step that we have with any of our clients we start working with, to understand these exact things. Once you have a list of those pain points that you fix and the desires that you help your clients attain, then the second step is search competitors on YouTube. So you have that list and you use that research that you just did and search up those exact topics on YouTube. Now, what you're looking for here is outlier videos in those topics that you can take inspiration from. For example, let's say you're helping e-com brands with email marketing, and one of the biggest pain points of your clients is not knowing what email flows to create. That's like a common pain point in that niche that these email marketing agencies fix. So you search it up on YouTube. Let me show you how. Now, what you do is you just literally search up e-commerce email flows, and you will see the best performing videos in that topic pop up. What you have to take a look at is, I recommend you download vidIQ, that Chrome extension, and you will see like what are the outlier videos. If you can see a multiplier in this, part of a video that is like either red color or I think blue color as well, like this one, those mean that it's an outlier video and it got a lot more views than those other videos on these guys' channels. So this means that these are the videos that resonated with people the most. You find these videos and you see, okay, what are the titles they are using, how they structure their thumbnails. So what you have to do is you find outlier videos using that vidIQ Chrome extension that I showed you, and you take inspiration from the titles and the thumbnails they use. Now, if your niche is so small that there are no competitors, which it happens in some niches still on YouTube, there are not many videos, you should look at other similar niches and just adapt the titles and the thumbnails from there. Sometimes that's even a better strategy because you can just literally copy that, and because you're in a different niche, you can get away with it. So using this strategy that I just outlined, these 2 steps, the videos you will create will be attracting your exact ideal clients who have the problems that you fix and the goals that you have them achieve. At the same time, you'll package your videos in a way that will be appealing to these people so they click on it and actually watch it. That's because you did your research, and then you also did your research about like how you should package those topics. Now, real quick, if you want us to create the videos for you A to Z and build out your entire YouTube funnel, and also help you sign free to high ticket clients in the first 90 days completely guaranteed, then book a free call with me using the first link below. Let's get on with the video. Step 2 is provide 10x more value than your competitors. You should give away basically everything in your videos. People will still pay you for implementation, accountability, and support. Just look at what Alex Hormozi did. The reason he became #1 in the business space is because he didn't hold anything back. You need to do the exact same. Become the person in your niche that when people watch their videos, they think, why are they giving away all of this for free? You see, we did the exact same thing with Sam, our client that I mentioned you earlier. You can see these videos are 20 to 60 minute long, like full in-depth videos where he literally gives away his entire process and provides more value than any of his competitors, because people pay him for implementation, so he can get away with sharing everything. And these days, this is the only way you can make people trust you enough to buy from you. All of these fake gurus out there, all of these scam stories, these things just make people not trust you. So what you have to do is actually give away everything so people can actually see, okay, this guy is legit, he knows what he's doing, he can provide value to me, and this is the only way you can get them to buy. Now, I know what you're thinking, like if you're a coach and not a service provider, you might think that if you give away everything, people won't buy your stuff. But this is a limiting belief, because most of the people who buy your offer will be buying it for personalization and accountability. So the truth is, they will be much more likely to buy if you give away the sauce, because they'll already trust you and they'll already know that you're an expert, but they can do it themselves. Now, of course, maybe don't give away the entire thing that you're selling on YouTube just for free, but like give away the exact strategies and the exact things you use, because your actual program is probably still a lot more valuable. You include personalized help, one-on-one calls, extra tools or stuff they can use. So even if you try, you can give the same exact thing away in a YouTube video. Now, step 3 is leverage YouTube videos across your entire marketing. You can get an ROI from YouTube even just by using it across your marketing and sales process. We've seen that across many of our clients. So for example, let's say that every time someone books a call with you, you send them 2 to 3 in-depth YouTube videos showing you're the expert, building trust, and giving more social proof. Done right, this can easily 2x your close rate, which means that you doubled your sales just by doing this one thing. So here are the best ways to use YouTube videos across your entire business. So let's say you're doing cold email or cold DMs. When someone was interested, but then they stopped replying, you have to follow up. Instead of just sending the basic and generic follow-ups of, is everything okay, just following up on this, etc., etc., you can send something like, here's a video where I break down the exact process I mentioned earlier, or you just refer back to something in the conversation and you send them a valuable YouTube video. This instantly positions you as an authority, and also they will be much likely to reply after that. And also what YouTube videos will do with your cold outreach is when prospects research you after getting your outreach message, they find your channel and instantly see that you're trustworthy versus just a random guy who messaged them. Now, second one is paid ads. People who see your ads will Google you, and if they find your YouTube channel with valuable videos, you'll see higher conversion rates and also lower cost per lead. You can also then retarget website visitors with your most relevant YouTube videos. You can see that there are multiple ways to use YouTube videos across your marketing, and it's just a matter of creativity. Then you can also use it in your sales process. Send relevant videos between the time someone books a call and when the call actually happens. So it's usually between 1 to 4 days between someone books a call and actually getting on a call. What works best during those couple of days is sending them in-depth educational videos and also case study videos. So again, you build yourself up as an expert in their eyes, and you're also sharing just social proof so they trust you. As I said, this alone can double your close rate if you do it right. Then you can also use YouTube videos across social media. So promote each video on your socials, on LinkedIn, on X, on Instagram, on Facebook. How you do that is you create a piece of content teasing people to watch the YouTube video, and then you link the video under it. And what that will do is you'll send all those people that you have on your other platforms to that YouTube video, which will just nurture them. This can easily result in a couple extra conversions from people that just needed that last step to trust you enough to book a call or to buy from you. Now, lastly, you can do the same thing with your email list. So you write a teasing email and link your video at the end. And this works like magic for nurturing your list and getting conversions from it. So like booked calls and extra sales. Now, as I said, these methods alone can give you an ROI from creating YouTube videos. And then I haven't even mentioned the direct ROI that you get from people who find out about you on YouTube, that get nurtured on YouTube from your YouTube videos, and then book a call from your YouTube videos. So if you want us to build out your entire YouTube funnel and create videos fully done for you, you just literally record, while we also guarantee that you sign at least 3 to 10 clients in the first 90 days, then click the first link below and book a free call with me. On that call, we'll see if you're a good fit to work together, and if so, I'll explain how our entire system works. So again, click the first link below, book your call, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.